wash day, yes, I straightened my hair and I've been wearing it straight for about 2 weeks, but now it's time to wash it. So I'm going to show you guys a quick little concoction that I put together to bounce my hair back from straight to curly with minimal to no heat damage. So for my concoction, I'm going to use olive oil for my base. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I love using olive oil because it deeply conditions your hair while adding shine. Now what you want to do is you want to apply a heavy conditioner. I'm using the Mielle Organics Hydrating Conditioner, and I'm going to apply that to my olive oil base. And what you want to do is take about 2 tablespoons of that and just marry the two together. So you want to mix it really good and then apply it to your hair strands from root to tip. And I'll show you that here in the next clip.
Those positions. Now when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Concoction's all done, and so now I'm going to then part my hair in half, and then I'm going to part one half of my hair in 2 workable sections, so I then can start applying my deep conditioner. In the shower, but since I'm filming this video, I'm going to do it right in front of you. So I'm going to take a spray bottle and I'm going to spray my hair from root to tip, and I'm going to get it really saturated and then apply my conditioner mix, and then I'm going to re-wet it again. And basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to rejuvenate my hair back to my curly state. So just keep working that product in your hair, and as you can see, my hair is curling up like it never saw a flat iron. I'm loving this. Curly is back. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue raking my fingers through my hair, and I'm going to start with the next workable section of straight hair. So just like the other side, you want to apply water, apply the conditioner mix, and you just want to work that product in. And if you need to add more water to rejuvenate your curls, add more water. If you need to add more product, add more product. But as you can see, I'm just working that product in. Alright, so I've completed one full side. As you can see, my hair is all the way curly. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Just follow the same steps with the water and the conditioner and work that product in.
See, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to...
Alright, so the product is completely in, and now I'm going to put my shower cap on, sit in the dryer for 15 minutes, wash my hair, let my hair air dry, and then style it.
To achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain.
Thanks guys so much for watching this video. I absolutely enjoy doing wash and goes. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below, and let me know what future videos you would like to see. See you next time.